Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve these four exponential equations. Let's start with the first one. 0.5 equals 1.2 to the power x minus 1. In this equation, the variable is x. We have to find the value of x. X minus 1 is the exponent on 1.2. The first step is to bring the x down from the exponent. We have to use logarithms to do that. We should apply log to both sides of the equation. Next, we should use power law of logarithms to move the exponent x minus 1 to the front of the log term. Next, we should divide both sides by log 1.2. Log 0.5 over log 1.2 is equal to negative 3.80, rounded to 2 decimal places. Next, we can isolate x on the right side of this equation by adding 1 to both sides. Negative 3.80 plus 1 is equal to negative 2.80. This is the answer for the first equation. Now we can solve the second equation. 10 equals 1 over 4 to the power 3x. We have to find the value of x. X is in the exponent on 1 over 4. The first step is to bring down the x from the exponent. For that we have to use logarithms. We should apply log to both sides. Log 10 is equal to 1 because this is common log. The base of this log is 10, and when the base and the term are the same, the value of the log term is 1. We can use power law of logarithms to move the exponent 3x to the front of the log term. Next, we should divide both sides by a log of 1 over 4. One over 4 is equivalent to 0.25. One divided by log 0.25 is equal to negative 1.66. Rounded to 2 decimal places. Next, we can isolate x by dividing both sides by 3. I get x equals negative 0.55. This should be the final answer for the second equation. Now we can solve the third equation. 15 equals 1 over 2 to the power x over 4. we have to find the value of x, and x is the exponent on 1 over 2. We should bring down the x from the exponent. For that we have to use logarithms. We should apply log to both sides. Next, we can use power law of logarithms to bring the exponent x over 4 to the front of the log term. Next, we can divide both sides by log 1 over 2. One over 2 is equivalent to 0.5. Log 15 divided by log 0.5 is equal to negative 3.91, rounded to 2 decimal places. We can isolate x in this equation by cross multiplying 4 to the left side of the equation. Negative 3.91 times 4 is equal to negative 15.64. This should be the final answer for the third equation. Now we can solve the fourth equation. 100 equals 25 times 1 over 2 to the power 6 over x. We have to find the value of x. X is in the exponent on 1 over 2. In this equation, 25 is being multiplied to 1 over 2 to the power 6 over x. The first step is to get rid of the 25. We should divide both sides by 25. 100 over 25 is equal to 4. In this exponential equation, we can get the same base on both sides of the equation. 4 can be written as 2 square. In this fraction 1 over 2, the exponent on 2 is 1. There is an invisible 1 on the 2. If we move this 2 to the numerator of this fraction, the exponent will become negative 1. Next, we can use power on power law of exponents to combine the exponents on 2 on the right side. We should multiply negative 1 by 6 over x. Negative 1 times 6 over x is equal to negative 6 over x. Now we have the same base on both sides of the equation. We can cancel out the bases and equate the exponents to find the value of x. Next, we should cross multiply x to the left side of the equation. Next, we should divide both sides by 2. I get x equals negative 3. This should be the final answer for this equation. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.